I mean, irrigation can get you a bit dizzy because the temperature of the water is not specific. If it's too warm or too cold or cool, it can cause a caloric effect. So you can get dizzy.
Oh my god, that felt so good.
My videos on YouTube, or?
Yeah, we watched quite a few. The ones I couldn't watch was when it was like all kind of like infested and things like that.
I've got this skin review from see if I can get that out for you as well. A bit more with the skin that we're feeling. Your eardrums are what we call retracted, and the other one was as well. The I mentioned is sucked in a bit. And what can happen is develop a pocket at the top of the eardrum. So when you've got a pocket at the top of the eardrum, the skin sheds, and the skin should normally migrate outwards. But this skin, if you've got a pocket right at the top of the eardrum, the skin gets trapped in that pocket, and it can get quite serious. It can develop what we call a cholesteatoma. It's just dead skin that's infected and it can start eroding all the bones, etc. So there's a bit of skin right in that pocket. I'm going to see if I can get it out for you, okay? It's just this skin in this tick. We're getting it is coming out because that is skin and it's we're going to refer you to ENT regarding this. I don't know if it is uncomfortable. I've got the main skin out there. So could well be that you have got a cholesteatoma, so we need to get that referred. Just going to try and get a bit more out of it. Okay. It's uncomfortable, let me know.
No, I'm just trying, I'm really conscious of not moving while you're doing
it.
That's
fine. Just to adjust that way a bit. Doing really well. Really sort of the skin being peeled. So there's still a bit of skin there, but the region, it's what we call the superior posterior part of the eardrum. That's where that's where that retraction pocket. I've cleared that area, and it is infected behind that. So we couldn't see that before because the skin was there. There's a bit more skin left at the top part of the eardrum, at the front part. We're going to leave that because it is a bit uncomfortable for you, but we need to get that checked out for you.
Okay. What's the usual sort of treatment?